Let's have a mindful minute about the blessing and the curse of social media. We're all so connected these days, so why do we all feel so disconnected? Spend so much time on our devices these days creating fast-paced, self-absorbed content for each other, yet we're horrified when our phone rings, when somebody's trying to connect with us for reals, and we just push it right to voicemail. So when you put it all into perspective, is it any wonder that we're feeling so disconnected? Now don't get me wrong, I love me some social media as much as the next. Duh, here I am. But know this, the quality of our relationships determines the course of our lives, both personally and professionally. And notice I said quality, not quantity. So how can we transform our love for building more followers into a love for building more connection? First of all, I love the word device. An addiction to anything is a vice, so I want you to device for the week. I want you to pivot some of that social media time this week towards the relationships that you care about most or care most about building and strengthening. I'm Gregory Douglass. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and thanks so much for watching.